He's trusting that soil. You get it. My buddy on the KX450 is like, get out there. Freaking way, yo. He's going for it. He don't give a shit. He doesn't care what he can see, what he can't see. Oh my goodness, we're like drifting. Like drifting into each other, dude. Dusty as hell, sketchy as hell. Oh, I like his line. He's taking that line over the outside. Bro, can't see a damn thing. Sliding through these corners. Let's go, Chris, I'm here. With you, my guy. Cut these corners sharp so I can keep up. Dude, it's hectic trying to keep up with Chris on that 450. You can't see your line. That 450 is absolutely freaking barking. Yeah, buddy. We're both cutting inside trying to find a little bit of traction. Oh, he's cutting in there too. That's smart. He's avoiding the bumps. This is a corner where the 450 just gets me every time. He blasts off out of here. So fast. But look at his cool line. He like skips this downhill jump. Cuts the track off on the side there. That's sick. Man, he's sending it down this dry, dusty hole. Whoa. Come on, YZ, get that traction, baby. Leave him to the outside, I'll try to hug. Yeah! Hugging that inside tight, trying to stay with him. I can feel it. I know he's getting tired, just gotta wait him out. Bro, what a good ride. Dusting off. I can barely breathe. I got dust all up in my lungs. Oh, it's fun. Let's go. I've lost the rear end. Traction is waning, man, every freaking lap. The drier it gets. Dude! I'm surprised at how much he trusts some of those dry corners. Yeah, buddy. end this one. I've been losing my front and my rear in that spot every time. Dude, he's airing down into the freaking corner. I say, how does he have that much confidence and trust in his bike, but I'm staying right there with him. I just get to see how sketchy I look sliding all over the place. And I'm right behind someone. Yeah, bro. What a session, dude. That was freaking awesome. My man.
Yes, sir.
Dude, that was awesome, bro.
It looked like I missed out on a fun session.
Man, that was good.
Was I slowing you down?
No, dude, you were perfect.
Okay.
I had to stay right on your tail so I didn't get too dusty.
Yeah.
No, you were good.
I figured I'd slow you down a little bit in the turn.
There were some sections where I could have gone faster, but there were some sections like that thing just pulls away from me, bro.
Just right, as soon as I come out the well, when I'm halfway in the turn, that's when I.
Dude, when you come out of those sharp like 180s on that, you're gone. I'm like, fuck, trying to keep up.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that was sweet.
That was badass.
That was a good time, man. My lungs are just dust.
Yeah, that shit feels heavy.
You had the GoPro on?
Hell yeah.